Welcome to another DQL lesson, where we explore one of the most powerful features in PostgreSQL and SQL in general, data aggregation. This is where we transform detailed data into meaningful summaries that drive business decisions. After a brief discussion to help you understand the aggregation fundamental, we'll start by listing the core aggregate functions and showing them in action. Next, we'll check the impacts of filtering data to aggregate, followed by working with groups and producing multiple aggregated records, to then understand how filtering aggregate data work. Then wrap up by discussing how to deal with null values. Oh, but again, before we begin, let's set up our new project environment. Again, I've prepared a GitHub repository at github.com/PostgreSQL where we can find this DQL lessons dump.sql file. Feel free to clone this repo if you haven't done it yet. Download this file clicking on download raw file, or just copy its content. Then you can jump on PSQL or pgadmin4 to create a new database with any name, and you can follow the file name and call it DQL lessons and connect to it. Once connected, but before you proceed, make sure you change this alter database to replace your database name with your database name. In my case, I'll be using DQL lessons. I'm pretty sure you know what this command does, but before you forget, it defines the order of the schemas that it used to search for in the search path setting. And it does it on the database level, so you don't need to change in every new session. The reason is all tables will be creating the e-commerce schema, leaving you free to do whatever you want in your public schema. But you won't need to always qualify or prefix table and other object names with e-commerce. This dump file generates 14 tables that will help us with these and the next two lessons, as it mimics a near real-world e-commerce database, with customers, suppliers, products, orders, order items, or even extra things like payments, product reviews, and so on. Throughout the set commands, you'll find SQL comments, just to help you identify different topics we're going to discuss. With the project introduction out of the way, let's jump right into the basics of data aggregations.